Hey guys, I'm excited to give you this really cool bonus, okay? You're gonna have access to all of my keto-friendly recipes, and that includes all the vegan recipes, which will allow you to totally do this keto program being a vegan. All the recipes for the kids meals. I mean, this is always difficult to come up with meals that you can give your children, okay? We're gonna give you a ton of different bread recipes and alternatives to things like pretzels and muffins and cakes. Anything that's composed of flour, we're going to show you alternative recipes for flour-based products, okay? And then you also have access to all the other meals that are not on my website, okay? You're going to love this. All these recipes are completely designed by an amazing chef who's creating these recipes, and they follow the percentages of macros that I designed. So this way you don't have to figure out. We're going to give you the recipe and you just need to make it. So I really hope you enjoy this amazing bonus because we really put a lot of time and energy in creating this for you. Okay? Thanks.